friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this tag in tag pocket for day 71. And let me rephrase, it's called a double tag pocket. And this is day 71 of 100 Days of Pockets. If you want to see how I created this, that is coming up next. And before I get there, I wanted to mention to you that if you wanted the instruction booklet on how to create all these pockets, you can go to my description box and you can check out Cindy's Ko-Fi link, and you can grab it there and you can download it, which is very handy. Today you will need a backing paper or a journal page. I'll be using a backing paper today. You'll need a large tag. And then you'll need a tag a little bit smaller than your large tag. You will also need glue or tape, ink, lace, and other embellishments. The first thing that we are going to do is attach our large tag to our backing paper or journal page. And I'm looking at this and I'm thinking I really don't want to cover this, so I'm going to put my large tag over here. And of course we're doing that to create a pocket because this is the double tag pocket. Now you can put glue on the bottom and both sides, but I'm going to go ahead and put glue on the bottom and just one side, and that way it makes the pocket a little bit bigger for me to get a tag in and out of. It just for me makes it a little bit easier. But you can do it however you like it. Before I go any further with my backing paper and my large tag pocket, I'm going to go ahead and get some ink around the edges. Now I'm going to go ahead and embellish the pocket with one of my beautiful paper dolls. And I think what I'm going to do is use the blue one. I think she'll pop more off of the page. The white one would look very pretty, but wouldn't be quite as obvious. So that's why I'm going to go for the blue one. So speaking of the paper doll kit, I want to let you know that this is a new kit in my Etsy shop. And there's a collaboration, an open collaboration going on this month of October. And there are many collaborators, so check them out if you can. I'm going to create a playlist and they will all be on there. So check them out if you want to see what they're doing with their paper dolls. There's no scheduled days. People can post whenever they want. The only rules of the road would be for you to tag myself and my co-host, Jen, Sassy Southern NC Girl. She's super excited about the collab, and I am too. Also, you can get some freebies in my Facebook group, Creating with Jovi Journals and Crafts. And if you'd like the kit, you can find that in my Etsy shop. And it's simply called Paper Dolls. My battery died, so I put her on before I changed my battery out. But here she is, and I think she looks fantastic standing on the steps, am I right? I mean, come on. So now we've got this one, and I'm wondering if I should switch this out. This has fall flavors, which I love, but this doesn't really have that. So let's switch it out for something else. I have this masterboard. This is all masterboard, by the way, except for the paper doll. And I've got this tag. I think this will fit. Oh yeah, that fits plenty good. And so let's use this one. I think it works better. So we're going to go with that, unless you guys think I should use a bigger one, because this tag made a pretty big pocket. I actually could. Hold on a sec. Okay, my friend, I prepped this tag. All I had to do was I snipped the corners. My corner rounder is broken, but I went ahead and just snipped the corners, and I inked around the edges. And now I am going to go ahead and add this paper doll because they're from a similar era, probably very close. They both look like they're from the 20s to me, 20s and 30s. So we're going to take her and put her on this one, and I think she looks very pretty there. Before I add this tag to the pocket, I'm going to use this piece of scrap fabric and I'm going to add it to the tag. This way we get, it's a big enough pull that it grabs some attention. You can definitely see it and it's visible, but it will lay nice and flat, and I do like that. All right, we've got our beautiful pocket and we have our beautiful tag, and we are going to slide our tag into the tag pocket. And that's it, my friends. I hope you like it. This was fun. I got to use some masterboard. I've been using those the past couple of days. I have a good stash of them because I was using up my scraps to make them, and they're working out really great. They make great backgrounds, they make great tags, and they make great pockets. And then using the paper dolls, that's totally fun, an added bonus there. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed it today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.